Just showing the parts that I got to do this job. So you can see there's a lot of oil on these spark plug tubes. That's a sign they need to be changed. There's also some oil on this coil-on-plug boot here. So I got 6 new Bosch spark plugs along with 6 NGK coil-on-plug boots. And then for the tubes and the seals, I just ordered those from Sunset Porsche parts. So I stuck with OEM on that. And I'm cleaning up the exterior and inspecting the actual coil packs itself. Just looking for any kind of cracks. Cleaning off all the dirt from them. And I'm gonna reuse them. Everything was running fine, so I didn't see the need to order 6 new ones of those. I'm gonna put the seals in a little bit of oil first, and then put them on the new tubes itself. A quick lesson learned when it comes to changing spark plug tubes on a Boxster. If I was to do the job again, I would start with this tool here, made from a double-ended 3/4 inch piece of galvanized pipe with an end cap on it. When I started the job, I had this T attached to that piece of pipe, and there's parts of the head casting that don't allow you to twist it, so this wasn't much use. This cap is a lot more compact and should allow you to twist it 2 or 3 times into the spark plug tubes, and then give you something to hold on to when you pull the tube out. And the tubes aren't in there all that tight. They're only held in place due to the pressure between the seal and the head itself. So that tool there costs under $5 at Ace Hardware. You just get the 2 pieces, put them together, and that should give you everything you need to remove the spark plug tubes.